Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my Jello babies. I am reporting live from the Carlisle Hotel. I'm here on a staycation, and it just feels so nice to be able to treat myself because usually when I'm traveling to other countries, it's so hectic. But now that it's an actual staycation in my home city, it feels great. And I brought like all my belongings just in case, just because. But yeah, it's a Friday morning and I'm doing this new thing in this year where I am going to take my Fridays off from work as much as possible. So I actually had a panic attack for the first time in my life a couple days ago, and it was one of the scariest experiences. And after that, I realized, maybe this is a wake-up call of my body telling me to just slow down a little bit and don't put too much stress on myself. And I think with the corporate world too, incorporating more 4-day work weeks, I'm like, I should do that for myself too. As an entrepreneur, you don't really know when to stop, and I need that kind of boundary. So anyways, Fridays are my beauty days where I do everything that is self-care, like a day just for myself. So I'm starting off the morning with this beautiful carrot juice. It's got the vitamin A for your skin. And as I get ready, I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through all the high maintenance things I do to be very lazy and low maintenance. So if you guys know me at all, I'm actually a very lazy person when it comes to a lot of beauty skincare. Like, I hate blow drying my hair. I hate like doing my nails as much. So I try to, jam all these things in order for me to be as lazy and low maintenance as possible on a daily basis. So Fridays are going to be my days where I take care of all of that so that during the week I can be just unapologetically lazy. And today's the perfect day to film this because starting today I have to do all the things. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I do. I mean, look at my nails. They're horrendous. Like, these are press-on nails, but I'm gonna go get my nails done. So the first thing I do about nails is I get gel manis. I really like short nails, so I can't really do press-on nails. I can't do gel lines. I can't do fake nails, acrylic, any of that. I just do simple gel nails. Sometimes I'll do fun nail art. Usually go for a neutral gel nail that I go do every 2 to 3 weeks, just so that it's low maintenance. I can shoot my content whenever I do. At the same time, I like booking a pedi at the same time. So I like going in, doing the double service. So while I'm getting my pedi, I'm also getting my nails done at the same time. Within 1 hour, I am booked and ready to go out. So how much does that cost? That is going to cost around $50 for gel, another $50 for pedi, let's say, right? So it's gonna be $100 plus tip, $30. You're spending around $130 every month on average. And that, my friends, is worth every single penny. What else do I do? I love pampering myself with these kinds of eye masks and masks. Do they like completely, dissolve your dark circles and make them go away? No, but do they look good? Do they feel good? Absolutely. So, these are like the little preventative things that I do to be able to prevent having to go get Botox or injectables, all of that. By the way, I've never gotten Botox before and I try to maintain it that way. We'll see. I am very curious of how to do it. And I do think Botox and fillers are also another big part of high maintenance things to do. So if you're one of those people who want to rely on that, absolutely go for it if it helps you kind of be low maintenance. For me, skincare routine, very consistent skincare routines is important, but as you can see, because I do get regular treatments or regular mask sessions on a day-to-day basis, my morning routine is going to look really simple. So I'm just going in with like a rice toner, 2 layers of this, and then I actually haven't gotten a facial in a very long time. It's been almost 3 months at this point since I got a facial. The last facial I got was in Korea in October. So today I'm going to go get a facial, and then in February I'm going to go get another microneedling session. So microneedling is something that is pretty new to me, and I started getting it last year. So I got it twice so far, and it's changed my skin. Like, I was so scared of the concept of microneedling and the blood that is involved, but after getting it, it just really helps increase the collagen in your skin. So instead of getting like Botox, I think I like doing microneedling and those kinds of treatments a lot more. So I'm super excited for that treatment. But today I'm going to get something more like a classic facial. But today I'm just going to get like a really nice facial treatment, some lymphatic drainage, some microcurrent, some exfoliating, nothing too harsh. Something very gentle on my skin because I feel like my skin was a little over exfoliated, so I just want something that can like kind of heal my skin in general. So these treatments cost anywhere from $150 to, let's say, $400 a month. The treatments really vary, but on average I would say you would spend around $200 to $300 every few months. I do not think you need to get a facial every month. Whenever you want, I think like a quarterly facial that is either very gentle or a microneedling. Microneedling can be just twice a year, I think is worth the money. So let's say like $500 to $600 in New York to spend on facials, I think is 100% a thing that you can do to be high maintenance. And then my morning routine is just going in with a vitamin C serum. This is the one from True Botanicals, but I'll link some of my other favorite vitamin C serums down below. So my morning routine will always involve some kind of a active vitamin C serum, just so that I can get the glow going, but also make sure that whenever you do wear a vitamin C serum, always pair it with sunscreen. It's going to make it more powerful. A great duo. Now we're moving on to moisturizer, and this brings up a good point. The next thing that I do is doing regular facial massages at home. So even though my routine may look really simple, in the morning and nighttime I'll do some kind of facial exercise. You know, it could be with like a simple tool like this, or just your fingers or your gua sha. It doesn't have to be expensive, although I do love my high-end microcurrent tools. But when I'm traveling, I don't really bring them with me, so I just go on with like little tools like this to kind of drain little toxins out, lymphatic drainage it out. So I do have a lot of facial exercises videos that you can follow along in my videos, but just regular consistent facial exercises can really change the shape of your face, just so that you don't have to go get a facelift. I really honestly think I'm never gonna go get a facelift because that's just like too invasive for me. But in order to be low maintenance, you're gonna be doing like 30 seconds of your day. Just do simple facial exercises, drain that down your neck, a little bit of a L to do a facelift with your fingers, okay? All you need to do, relax your brow bone, do a little eye massage. So it's just like as you're applying your skincare routine, incorporate a little bit of facial massage, just so that a little bit goes a long way. Once you get the system down, it's going to really help. Simple gua sha to drain it up. You can do it for your jawline, drain that down, up, jawline. Okay, so facial exercises are like some of my favorite things to do, and thank you to my Amma for teaching me all of that. Last step is sunscreen. Wear your sunscreen every single morning. I don't care if it's snowing, I don't care if it's raining. Like, you gotta wear your sunscreen. It's going to be the best anti-aging tool out there for you. Every single morning you're gonna wear sunscreen. I like to use like 2 light layers of sunscreen, and sometimes in the summer I'll like double it up with another BB cream and a sunstick throughout the day. I know I'm like a little anal about sunscreen, but I didn't wear sunscreen until the age of 25. So I'm telling you, it is never too late to start wearing your sunscreen. So the next high maintenance thing that I do, which I'm so excited about because I'm going today, is I get my brows done 2 to 3 times a year, and all I do is a little bit of brow shaping. I haven't gone since September, so it's been 4 or 5 months now. All I do is get a little bit of brow tweezing here, and then I get a slight brow tint. That's all I do. Besides 2 to 3 times I go in a year, I do nothing. I don't do it. I tweeze a little bit here and there, but because, you know, I don't have that much brows to work with, but having a little bit of brow tint that can last you a few months is incredible. So I don't really have to do much with my brows either. The next thing that I do is a lash lift. Last year was the first time I got a lash lift, and I've considered lash extensions. I've gotten that done twice in my life. Hated it because of how unnatural it looks. But now with the lash lift, it just uses your natural lashes and it kind of like lifts it up, and it lasts a month for me, and it's the best thing that's happened. Lashes are a little bit more expensive. It usually is a minimum of $100 in New York City. If you're someone who doesn't really like doing natural, you know, eyelash extensions, if you want more of a natural look, you don't even have to wear mascara after doing this. So it's just something that saved my life for the better, and just the best like clean makeup look girly for that. Just like that, my morning skincare routine is complete. Right now I'm at the stage where I have nothing done, but in my next video I'm going to come back to you with fresh brows, fresh lashes, fresh nails. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more jello skin routine videos. Thank you so much.